Hello everyone, my name is Soham Bandgar. Today I will discuss about the lecture Medicinal and Toilet Preparation Act 1955. Let's see. Let's see the objectives to provide for the collection of levy and duties of excise on medicinal and toilet preparation containing alcohol, opium, Indian hemp or other narcotic drugs or narcotics. Next point, to provide for uniformity in the rules and rates of excise duties on such a preparation throughout the country. Next point, to control use the alcohol and transport issue and to avoid the alcohols. Next point, definition. See the definition of alcohol. Alcohol means ethyl, alcohol of any strength and purity having chemical composition C2H5OH. Next definition, durable goods. It means the medicinal and toilet preparation specified in the schedule as being subject to the duties of excise involved under the Act. Medicinal preparations. The medicinal preparations include all drugs which are remedy or prescription prepared for internal or external use of human being or animal, and all substances intended to the use for or in the treatment or prevention of disease in human being or animals. Next definition is toilet preparation. The toilet preparation, it means any preparation which is intended for use in the toilet, the human body, or in perfuming apparel of any description or any substances intended to cleanliness, improve or after the complexion, skin, hair or teeth and includes the perfume. Next definition, bonded manufactory. The bonded manufactory means the permission or any part of the premise approved or licensed for manufacture and storage of medicinal and toilet preparation containing alcohol, opium, Indian hemp or other narcotic drugs or narcotics on which duty has not been paid. Next definition, non-bonded manufactory. It means the premises or any part of the premises approved or licensed for manufacture and storage of medicinal and toilet preparation containing alcohol, opium, Indian hemp or other narcotic drug or narcotics on which has been paid. Next definition, denatured spirit, it also called as denatured alcohol. It is alcohol of any strength which has been unfit or unfit for human health by the addition of substances approved by the central government or by the state government which with the approval of central government. Next definition, restricted preparations. These are the medicinal preparation which is considered as capable of being as ordinary alcoholic behaviors. Next definition, unrestricted preparation. These are the medicinal preparation which are not be capable of being as ordinary alcoholic behaviors. Spirit store. It is part of bonded and non-bonded manufacturing used for the storage of alcohol, opium, Indian hemp or narcotic drugs or narcotics purchased free of duty or a prescribed rates of duty specified in the schedule of the act. Let's see the licensing. First point, manufacturing of alcohol and narcotic preparation can only be undertaken under by authority of a license granted for the purpose and such as license issued only of the license for the manufacturer of drug under Drug and Cosmetics Act and rules has been first obtained. Next point, application for the or for its renewal is to be made for licensing authority who is the exercise commission in the case of bonded manufacturer or warehouse. In other case such offer officer as the government authorized in the behalf. Next point, the applicant for the license should submit in the prescribed form accompanied with the prescribed fees at least 2 months from the proposed date of commencement for the manufacture. By the following particles are required to be submitted by the applicant for getting license for manufacture of durable goods or outer the bonded. First point, name and address of applicant and places and sites on which the manufacturing is suitable is the to constructed if the applicant be a firm. The names and address of every partner of and it be a company, its registered name and address, and then names and address of its directors, manager and managing agent. The first point, the amount of the capital processed to be invested in the venture, approximately date from which is applicant desire to commence the manufacturing and statement whether the bonded laboratory will require the services of a whole time or time exercise offer officer and whether quarter for the exercise staff will be provided within the manufactory or its vicinity. Next point, the number and full description of waste, steel and other permanent apparatus and the machine which the applicant wishes to get up together with the maximum quantity of the alcohol and alcohol content. It the finished preparation and the maximum quantities by weight of opium, Indian hemp, narcotic drug and narcotics and their content in finished by unfinished preparations. Next one, the site and elevation plans of the manufactory building and also similar plans for the quantity of the excise officer together to relevant records. Next point, the amount in cash or government promissory note which is applicant is prepared furnished for the due performance of the condition on which license may be granted. Next point, the kind of number of each license. Next one, a list of preparation which is applicant process its manufacturing and or those manufactured during the pending year shows the percentage of proportion of alcohol in alcohol preparation of opium quantities of Indian hemp or other narcotic drug in item of weight of preparation containing those substances the pharmacopoeia under which such a preparation were proposed to be manufactured. The new application is licensing authority may be incurred to the following. First point is qualification of previous experience of technical person. Second point, the equipment of the bonded and non-bonded laboratory. Third, fairness of the applicant financial position. Fourth point, suitability of the proposed building. Next point, after making above inquiry, the excise commissioner is that is required as per regulation, then shall issue the license and cannot be sold or transferred. Thank you everyone.